Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fasting Tracker. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Fasting Tracker and you will enter here in this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.